Hey guys, it's me George. So today I'm gonna play some Dragon Ball Z Raging Blast, and it's going to be today my first review. I never reviewed a video game on the Xbox 360. Only Alex was, and he's naked. Yeah, we don't have canned sword paper, so fuck. Just a sec. Just need to get a comic, a bigger warehouse of booty. Say, everybody say booty, 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 booty. This stores is booty, butt cheeks. Booty, booty, booty. Okay, let's check if this works. God damn it! Big balls of booty!
Я так тоже могу. Георгий, знаешь, как подчеркивать?
Да блин, мам, я не знаю, как подчеркивать эту фигню.
О чем ты говоришь,
Знаешь,
мама?
как подчеркивать?
Что подчеркнуть? Okay, just guys, wait a second. Stand by.
Что такое?
Подчеркнуть надо внизу. Вот так сделать, да.
Точка?
Вот так линию провести внизу. Можешь как?
Нет, так не получится.
Почему?
Мам, нет, ну потому что только в Google Chrome там такая линия.
Back. More action. So, you see, I'm trying to make here tons of booty, White House booty.
Не стирай сюда. А с конца принято.
Okay, so I'm really sorry that my brother sucked it climb over. Just
Underline все, значит, date of birth.
Мне
And-
надо еще фамилию дописать.
I placed this over here, this over here, these two cassettes over here. Wait, Alex! There's a box that has tons of cassettes.
Oh, this iPad. George.
No, Alex, look, tons of cassettes.
You see?
Look, George is good now.
But we need still cassettes because
Look, it can't fall. You see, it can't fall. No, I mean, it's good now. Look, but it's still moving up and down. For that, we need more cassettes. One cassette, two cassettes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And I place this, and this, and this.
It's a sausage wrist.
Александр, фемейл как пишется?
Что?
Female. Дай я тебе напишу.
Да male. Female.
Мейл. Фемейл. Вот так, фемейл.
Да, мам.
всё.
Sex female?
Affiliation.
Okay, so let's check if this works. Oh god, they will fall. Wait a second. I think we're gonna need this.
Эмир!
But it's filling all the great, but one more cassette left. And this film's great, but you have to be really careful because the cassette will fall. These cassettes will fall. Yeah. And we are ready to play some Dragon Ball Raging Blast. So look, Mom, it's like a real counterfeit. me just make it a little bit like this so I can film better. Okay, so Dragon Ball Z, Ready Blast. Well, you should start playing, but it's just the loading screen. I should show you the intro. Shut up, it's my review. The dragon who brings the wishes and you get all the Dragon Ball. So, Dragon Ball. Where's the Oh, I think it's Team Goku. Oh no, this is Goku will never wear purple.
This is Goku. This is Goku of the Inside, and it's giving you the legacy of the mission cover.
You can see
Георгий, ну мама пишет. Снимает видео. Какое видео? 2 часа ночи. Я могу хотя бы ночью поработать.
I'm gonna start, so I'm gonna close it.
Я еще слышу.
Much better. So we start the game. And we have over here Dragon Ball Collection, Options, Museum, Dojo, to be customizable, Tournament, X5 versus Super Battle Trial. So let's try versus. It's going to be a team battle. So player 1 versus CPU. And I am going to be as Goku Super Saiyan 3. And Gotenks Super Saiyan 3. Team Gohan Super Saiyan 2. No, Team Gohan has no Super Saiyan burst, so I need to find one guy who has Super Saiyan burst. Gohan Super Saiyan 2. And the final Super Saiyan we take, it's Trunks? No. I should take one of the best Saiyans in the world. What? Oh no. Who can become Super Saiyan? Vegeta! Super Saiyan 2? There's Vegeta. Vegeta Super Saiyan. Super Vegeta. And Vegeta Super Saiyan 2. So let's do this one. And we are ready to battle. Versus P-Normal Vegeta. This is going to be really easy versus one guy. 5 guys, just one guy. So I'm going to So I gotta find a long stage. Oh, here it is, a long stage. So I'm gonna battle. This is going to be really easy, guys. So